So I got the hardware cloth down. See if I can show it to you. Some of it's sticking up right there. So that's where it's overlapped. So the girls loved it though. I was raking up the dirt and uncovering all the bugs. So I got the hardware cloth down. Birds are happy so far. So I actually have a mound of dirt over here. It's the same, it's not really dirt. It's, I don't know what it's called. Honestly, I don't. But they love it, so I'm going to put that in their nest for a little while until they like it. You girls loving it, huh? Are you loving it? You are gonna love it even more when I put this stuff back in. Hi, girls. So I have these 2 pieces left and I haven't decided what to do with them yet. Also, going to dribble some of this on the wood. So I could do that now. I don't think chickens smell things, so let's see. Hopefully the wood will keep the scent. Nice. Nice. Smells good. Oh yeah, smells good. Oh yeah, smells very good. I'm sure I'm gonna have to buy bigger. But what's nice is the wood will absorb the smell. I'm just gonna save that and put the dirt down. So oh, they're gonna love this, especially with the cooler weather coming. It's supposed to be in the 70s the end of next week, or this week, sorry. Time goes so fast. So I'm gonna go get another load. Almost done. Did I do it right? No, you gotta turn it around. So I'll go get another wheelbarrow full. You know they're gonna love it. Alright. Something to eat.